I don't really know what the plan is today. All I know is that I decided about 15 minutes ago that I wanted to get out of the house and I wanted to go thrifting. So, just threw on some shoes and got in the car. So we're going thrifting. Surprise! Hey, this is Nikki Terry Style. Welcome. We do thrifting, style inspiration, DIY thrift flips, some plus size fashion, vintage when we can get it. And we also learn about making more sustainable fashion choices as we go. New videos every Sunday, so please subscribe, like the videos that you like, all of that YouTube stuff. Today we're thrifting my local Goodwill, and I just set out because I really felt like going thrifting, but as you'll see, it kind of ended up becoming thrifting for my upcoming vacation, which is lovely. So I will take you in store with me and then we'll do a little bit of haul and I'll show you what I picked out today. So let's go thrifting. I'd love to do something on a theme, like we're thrifting for fall or something like that. But honestly, I'm just down for a really chill thrift day. I really kind of want to make it like a quick trip, which we know does not ever happen. So I do want to thrift a couple things for my vacation. Bright colors, tropical prints would be really fun, but yeah, we'll just see what the Goodwill has to offer me today. They brought the sale tags back, so that's good. Maybe we'll score on some sale tags and let's have fun and thrift. I found a couple really cute scarves. I'm definitely getting this one, to wear in my hair. This one may be too, but it might be too bulky, but the colors are great. I might want to DIY this into a thinner strap and V-neck tank top. I think it'd be cute. Vintage blouse. And it's 100% silk too. This is a little vintage 90s dress with little fruits on it. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm looking for a fun tropical kimono kind of style, so I found these two. And I also wanted some loungy, tropical print pants, but I found these H&M ones. Cool, so I did not have really an agenda when I started out thrifting, but I did have in the back of my mind that I wanted to pick up a few brighter pieces to like freshen up my vacation wardrobe. And I feel so spoiled saying that because I'm really fortunate that we still get to take our family vacation this year. I'm so thankful. I'm glad I found a few pieces that I think are going to be awesome and I'm excited to wear. It just kind of makes the whole vacation experience really fun. You know, they say that if you, if you're fortunate enough and you get to take a vacation, that you should look for little ways to like extend it beyond the actual time frame that you're out of town. That could be like shopping for pieces for your trip beforehand, and also like taking photos and like other memories and like using those in creative ways after you're back, or just having those photos around you, you know, in your office or what have you. So this is for me, like how I get maximum enjoyment from a vacation is being able to shop a little bit beforehand. And thrifting is an awesome way to do that because you have the guilt-free version of buying secondhand. Okay, so that's my whole rant about that. I'm going to show you what I got now. Okay, first I picked up this little white lightweight Aritzia tank, and this is the first time I've seen that brand in my local Goodwill, although I do see a lot of pieces that are typically like more expensive retail. So this one I think is really cute and very trendy, like very modern looking with the little details on it. And yeah, just going to be a lightweight piece to layer over perhaps like on top of a swimsuit with shorts, and then you can just like take this off when you're ready to get in the water kind of thing. And this guy was only $4. I got another white tank top because this one is a little bit of like a ribbed sweater material, and I've been wanting to try making this like little sort of H&M inspired thrift flip, because I've seen these little v-neck tanks that they have that are cropped that I think are really cute and just look so easy to DIY. And of course, there's like so many things like this already out in the world that you can just easily pick one up at the thrift store and grab a pair of scissors and like do your worst. So that's the plan with this guy. I got it for $3.99, and I think I'll go ahead and show you how it turned out. Okay, this guy definitely screams vacation, and I actually was looking for something like this specifically, hoping to find like a tropical print kimono, and this one is like a pull over your head kind of swimsuit cover up, but I loved the little like detail on the sleeves and the bottom, like these little, I don't know, dongles or whatever, and the bright colors in it are so cute. I'm really thinking about just cutting it open in the front, because I could just cut a straight line and then I could have it like a kimono, and I just think that's more of a convenient way to like put it on and off if you're really just using it by the pool kind of thing. So I think I might do that. I hope it doesn't ruin it. I got this one for $4. It was one of the tag sale items, so it was half off, I guess. And lastly, I also was hoping to find just like a bright colored scarf that I could tie up in my hair. And of course, a thrift store always has tons of scarves, and I found a really awesome one. I love having the scarves to put up in my hair when I'm on vacation and like by the pool, because your hair like never quite looks very good anyway, but then you can just throw the scarf in it and feel like you're stylish anyway. So this one also was $3.99. All right, so I'd love to do just a quick try on and a little bit of styling to get me in the vacation mood, and hopefully you can enjoy that part of it too. So let's go try some things on. coming thrifting with me today. I have to say that for not going out with like any agenda, I'm really stoked that I was able to find 4 pieces that are all sort of things I was looking for and like I really could use to take on vacation with me coming up. So feeling really fortunate all around. That was an awesome little thrift. So thank you so much for coming with me, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave me comments and let me know, and we'll do it again soon. We do thrifting. I don't remember. Is that it? It's actually from Aritzia, and I don't normally see that. Oh my god, I have to like pull one of my hairs off of it. I washed it, I swear. The first thing this is just like, it's like always harder than it should be, like as a normal human. Okay. It's gonna be that kind of day filming, isn't it? It's gonna be one of those days. Okay. Let's try this. Break the iPad. It's the struggle. Poolside, baby.